Hello! Today we are releasing all the documents pertaining to encounters with human life! Oh my! Golly gee! We are not alone! Here we see an unidentified driving object, or UDO. Wow! How does it move so slowly across the ground like that? Here we see it traveling straight, and then traveling straight again, and some more straight, bit more straight, and then when it's about to move to the left, a small blinking light appears on the vehicle's left-hand side. How does it know which way it's going? This technology is beyond us. Here we see an extremely slow-moving object being piloted by the legs of a humanoid creature. Amazing! It's not traveling through the air at a fantastic speed at all. Somehow, despite this humanoid vehicle being far more fragile than all of our spaceships, it still manages to block everyone around it and slow them down to an infuriating speed. Also, it should be noted how angry the humanoid creature gets when our spaceships attempt to overtake it. The entitlement is like nothing we've ever seen before. Now this is, well, we don't know what this is, but it sure does look silly. Ha! No one in the entire universe would be dumb enough to think that looks cool. And here we see what our alien scientists have called a paddle boat. It looks wicked fun. That does look wicked fun. Super cool. Totally rad balls. You see? I told yous they were real. They came down here in a vehicle they called a Toyota Prius, and they did experiments on me, they did. Sure they did, Slogvest. Sure they did. They did. They took me to a green place, and we sat on a tartan blanket object and drank a strange liquid they called a cheeky little Sauv Blanc. What did they do next, Slogvest? They then fed me this humanoid food from a board they called charcuterie. They called the food crackers, olives, and a selection of mature-aged cheddars. We then listened to something called Fleetwood Mac on a Bluetooth speaker and played a card-based game. Did you win, Slogvest? No, they kept putting down multiple draw 2 cards on me, despite that not being in the rules. General derision. Stop laughing at me. This happened. I'll show y'all. That concludes our presentation. Any questions? Yes. Isn't releasing all these humanoid files just a distraction from the fact our big, dumb, fat, orange alien overlord is heavily involved in the Zorgelstein files? No comment. Indistinct alien clamoring. Agent Zalder. What is it, Zayna? There's someone here who wants to speak with you. His name is Slogvest.